Hello, today we are talking about one of my new favorite products. I think that it is going to be a perfect fit for a lot of my community and just a bunch of my friends. It is called the Flick Stick, and their slogan is perfect wings every time. And this is quite genius, and I'm sad that I didn't think of this myself, because what it is it is a wing stamp. They come with the left and the right sides. Now, I am so confident that this is going to be perfect that I didn't even practice this before, but I think we're gonna be fine. This is amazing. So look, inside we have, it tells you that this is for the right wing stamp, and then this is for the left wing stamp. They both are exactly the same. And so the stamp is a little wing. I think the only tricky part is going to be just figuring out the angle of the wing that you want to do. And then of course, obviously you would want them to be even on both sides. So maybe that would be your only tricky part, but I think that we should get started because I'm excited to try this. So I am going to start with the left wing. So on the opposite side of the stamp comes a fine tip. So you'll be able to connect the line and really create a nice wing. All right, so let's give this a try. I'm gonna do this right here. So I'm gonna line up with my last lash. And give it a press. Whoop, oh my God. I'm like, hi, yes. I think I was just having this conversation with my sister the other day about how doing this kind of freaks her out because she doesn't ever really know. All right, perfect. Wow, this is a really great tip. Now you can either leave it here or obviously drag it all the way across, but I kind of like that. And I'm not someone who really normally would wear a wing, but now that I have this, and even though I am a makeup artist, doesn't matter. Like, this is key. Saves time, great for moms who are in a rush, or just anyone who's in a rush, or anyone who wants a little flair and isn't as confident in their wing as they want. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna go on to the right side. Same thing. First of all, don't hold it upside down like I just did. Okay. Just dry it a little. And then I do love a perfect wing.